What it do, foodies? Welcome back to Kaye's Kitchen. Guys, I hope you guys had a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We definitely enjoyed the holiday, the break, and everything like that. So today, guys, I'm gonna make one of these dishes that I hadn't made in such a long time. It's called Seafood Enchilada, okay? Before I go into talking about it, let's go ahead and pour my wine. Today I'm gonna have Robert Mondavi, the Chardonnay. It's a buttery Chardonnay, okay? And so since I'm making seafood today, I've decided I'm gonna do some white Chardonnay. That's good. So guys, this seafood enchilada, right? The history with that is, when I was stationed back in Radcliffe, Kentucky, right? The Mexican restaurants there, to me, was the best Mexican restaurants I've tasted to date, okay? And in those restaurants, they always had the seafood enchiladas. So when I didn't feel like getting the ground beef to get the regular enchiladas, I would get the seafood enchilada, and it was like one of the best tasting dishes I've ever tasted. So I went home and I recreated it as best and as close to the original as possible. So let's go ahead and get cooking, and we're gonna get into the seafood enchilada. Hey foodies, welcome back guys. So now we're finished cooking the filling for the enchiladas. Here is the finished product right here. All right guys, so now we're gonna get ready to go ahead and assemble the actual enchiladas, right? But also guys, I'm gonna be using some corn tortilla. You have the option of flour tortilla if you want as well. And if you're trying to stay away from the carbs and things like that, get yourself a sprig of the romaine lettuce, and instead of using the tortillas, use the lettuce and you wrap your filling in that. And you can also add toppings in there like your sour cream, your jalapeno peppers, some green onions, whatever you like on your taco, go ahead and add it inside of your lettuce wrap. That's a nugget right there. So let's get ready to go ahead and assemble this. Hey foodies, so I am finished making my seafood enchiladas. You guys saw how I did the assembly for the enchiladas, and this is my finished product. So let's go right on in and taste this dish. I honestly have not made this dish in 7 years. My girlfriend was asking me, Kay, when was the last time you made some seafood enchilada? I was like, you know what, it's been a long time. So shout out to Jernell for bringing this back to my remembrance, and here it is. It's everything. It's everything that it used to be. So delicious. And I understand some people may not like the corn tortillas, but the corn tortillas, in my opinion, make this dish. Or, you know, Super Bowl is right around the corner, right? The same way you saw how I made the filling, right? Instead of filling it inside the tortillas, you know what a great idea would be? I use chips. And now you have a seafood enchilada dip. So when you make that pot, you can go ahead and have that in a bowl, have your salsa, your jalapenos, your other toppings that you know people like to dip with chips. That'll be phenomenal. So guys, thank you so much once again for tuning into my channel and Cooking with Kay. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell for me guys. So the next time I cook a meal, you guys will be first to be notified. Y'all have a blessed week, and I'll see y'all next time.